Hello and welcome to the Sound Mix Lab. I am your host, Jason Donnelly, aka DJ Puzzle, and I'm reporting from my website, iPadLoops.com. I have something really special lined up for you. We're going to sample some bells. We've got some sleigh bells and some jingle bells here, and I'm going to provide those samples for you to download for free at the end of this video. But I'd like to show you a little bit of how we can sample those into our iPad using the Shure MV88 and an iPad. So we might sample that into an app called Borderlands and see what we can do with that. So stay tuned.
My go-to app for recording audio is AudioShare. I like it because it helps me keep my files organized. Well, we have some clean, straight recordings, and again, you can download these files. Just look in the video description below. Let's move on to something a bit more experimental and sample the bells into an app called Borderlands.